Does your V chamber make this noise when you are walking? It is called queefing. Queefing, also known as vaginal flatulence or vaginal farting, is the release of air from the vagina. It often makes a sound similar to a fart, but it does not involve gas from the digestive system, so it doesn't have an odor. Okay, what causes it? Queefing happens when air gets trapped in the vagina and it's later released. This can occur during casual activities, sudden movement or squatting, laughing or coughing in a certain position. Is squiffing normal? Yes, it's completely normal and harmless. It might be a little embarrassing, especially during that time you are enjoying yourself with your partner, but it's not a sign of any medical issue. Can it be prevented? You can't fully prevent it, but to reduce squiffing, try changing your position when you are enjoying yourself. Empty your bladder before enjoying yourself. Do pelvic floor exercises to tune your vaginal muscles, all right?